What's up, goodies? It is your girl Juliana, aka Attica Channel, and your girl is back with another video. Now, I'm going to the farmers market today, and this particular farmers market is here in Georgia, exactly in Lawrenceville, Georgia. And it's probably about an hour or so away from my house, but it is the closest one to my house. So I figured, hey, I'm going to the farmers market. Why not just take my goodies along with me? So I'm riding with the kids today, taking them out shopping so they could see what the girl be doing here. But I really love this particular farmers market. They really have everything in here. I did show this particular farmers market on my other channel, the second one, Life as Juliana, but I'm bringing you here, all right? Here, guys. So if you're here watching me doing this thing for your first time and you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't hurt to do that. I'm not have a charge for do it. And just make sure that you turn on your post notifications so you will always know when I upload a brand new video. Your girl will be bringing things like this just to kind of get out the kitchen sometimes. So yeah, I'll be doing like shopping hauls and different little things, try to do something different for the 2021. Yeah, honey. So yeah, just please enjoy the video and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up because it helps the video to grow. Now, I think y'all did see my fufu that I made. So this is a supermarket that I got my green plantains at and my cassava, right? Because like I said, this is the only place that I come to get my fruits and vegetables. They're always fresh, everything fresh. This is kind of an international farmers market, and you'll definitely find everything here. And these cassava right here, y'all, they were so fresh. Oh my goodness. I think this place right here is one of the places where I find some really good fresh vegetables and stuff here. All them sweet potato, them have Jamaican sweet potato, and they have just about everything, even the fruits, y'all. I found a lot of really good fruits here, and these ginger here was everything, but I have so much ginger at home I figured I wasn't going to get that today. But yeah, them fruits and vegetables is to the core, like to the core, freshness. Now, this particular aisle is where you'll find everything that you need from Jamaica. No, they have everything. When I say they have everything, they have everything in this particular aisle. They cater for everything from the island. So you'll definitely find African things here and Asian things from Haiti and Trinidad and all that stuff. Everything Caribbean is in this aisle. And when I tell you they cater for the Jamaicans in this aisle, I found everything that I needed. Things that I haven't seen in years, they had it right in this aisle here. I did pick up a couple of things in this aisle. Right here is the seasonings. Oh my goodness. Seasonings, everything. I pick up some Excelsior crackers, and of course I had to get my Shirley biscuit and my Ovaltine cookie. I did get some bun too, for sure, because I can't go to the supermarket and not pick up bun. They had bami there. And yeah, I didn't pick up any bami because I have bami home, but they have everything. I did get a loaf of 100% whole wheat bread, and I think maybe get some banana chips too. But yeah, listen, these people are stacked up. You hear me? Stacked up. And that bun right there was only $5.99, and it's big and it's nice and it's soft. It is really, really good. So if you go there, check out that bun. That bun is really, really good. Now in this aisle is like stuff like Puerto Rico, but they do mix a little bit of the island things in there. So I'll find like my cane juice and my tamarind juice and soursop juice, and they have a lot of those juices in this aisle. Coconut and all of that, you'll find it in this aisle. So yeah, I love it, love it, love it, love it. So that is it for now, y'all. That is it. Your girl is done. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up on your way out. I'll also list the address for this particular farmers market here in Lawrenceville. So until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you later. Ciao.